Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Let me show you what we'll be doing here today. We're working on a BMW 3 Series, guys, generation 2000, 2005 to 2013. And if you're trying to locate the fuse for the seat belts, if you have that annoying light seat belts, or the light for the seat belt is on, or maybe even airbag light on, we'll show you guys how to find the fuse and how to check it out and to know if you have a good or bad fuse. In the meantime, guys, that BMW has 3 different fuse boxes depending on the year, so things might differ a little bit. Always double check to make sure that yours is the same. Now we'll have more than 200 videos taking this BMW apart, so please hit that subscribe button for more videos. And if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for you. So we need to go to the passenger side now, and we need to open the glove box. Okay, right here. And in order to get to the fuses, we need to remove that cover. So it has 2 things that we need to turn 90 degrees and pull it out. Now the fuse for the seat belt is fuse number 25. So if we go here in the middle, you can see that middle square thing. Okay, he has 5 fuses on one row, 5 on the other one, altogether 10 fuses that fuse block. 25 is the one on the bottom, on the very right. Okay, and you can see ours is missing, guys. So sometimes it will be part of the airbag system, sometimes it will be a separate fuse. So depending on the year and the model, guys, you need to double check that. Now, okay, that one, okay, you can see this one is number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and ours is missing. We'll go ahead and replace it with another one. We'll have a video how to diagnose seat belt light and all that stuff and see if that fixes the problems. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.